Today we're going to make silly putty for my chem class. If you want to do it, the supplies you're going to need is Elmer's glue. It has to be white. A couple of disposable cups and some stir sticks. You're going to want disposable cups because the glue is going to get messy. Some measuring cups and all that good stuff. Food coloring. And some borax. Okay, so first you add 2 tablespoons of borax to your cup. I'm making a mess. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of hot water to that. And then you're going to stir it until the borax completely dissolves. Put that aside. Grab another disposable cup. Ouch. Add 1/2 cup of water. Mark where the water is. Like so. And dump that motherfucker out. We don't need that water. We're just going to use that line and fill it up with glue. You know, hopefully I have enough, because I'm not sure. Yeah, that's just taking way too long, so... You know, I'm almost there. This side should be fine. I just used it for some other things. So it wasn't like completely full, it was like almost full. You know, I'm just thinking that's basically close enough. Okay. Boom. Alright, now we're going to add 1/2 cup of hot tap water. And basically stir it until there's no clumps. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, now you're going to set both of these aside. Bring in a new one. Bam. So you're going to add 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of borax. Then you're going to grab a 1/4 cup. Put 1/4 of a cup of water into that cup. Bam. Mark it like you did with the other glue cup. Dump it out. Blow. Then you pour your diluted glue, not the borax cup, not this one. Okay. I gotta stir it a little bit more. Obviously didn't dissolve all the way, guys. Okay, anyway. Gonna take the glue and fill it to that line. Bam. Now you're gonna take that 1 teaspoon you had of borax and just dump it in. Bam. And you're gonna stir it. Oh, need more stir stick. You're gonna stir it for 2 to 4 minutes. I know. Use this one. Bam. Okay. It's kind of hard to stir, but that's why you gotta stir it for so long. So I'm gonna say you might need something a little bit stronger than a stir stick. You want it to be pink? Mm-hmm. Okay. You add 1 little drop. Careful, baby. 1 little drop of food coloring. Okay. That's it. 1 drop. Okay.
It's pink. I see it.
It's pink?
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, and then you're gonna stir that sucker in.
It's turning pink.
It's turning pink? That it is. Boom. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm a liar. You need lots of cups, not just a couple. So this one's done, I think.
That
I'm
one's
going to take it out.
It's slime.
It's slime, and I'm going to put it in this cup.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like. I'm going to let it dry for a second, and then I'll show you. You better be made of fucking cups. Alright, so you're going to do that again. Boom. 1/4 cup of the glue. The dilated glue. And I forgot last time, I was supposed to use the dilated borax instead of actually putting borax in it, but it actually seems like it worked pretty good either way. But I'm going to try it with the diluted now. So we need, where'd my stirrer go? Hold on a sec. Okay, so now I'm going to try it with the diluted borax. We'll see if it works better or what, but that still worked pretty good. I mean, it looks like it's going to be alright. Let's just do it the right way real quick. Bam. Alright, same thing. Stir for... Oh, you know what? That's already working much better. So, actually, I'd say it's about the same. You know what? But it's cheaper to do the diluted borax, so you know. Cheap is always the way to go. Okay. Okay, getting the same little substance here. Definitely use the diluted borax because there's no extra water in here like the other one, and it's already such a better substance than the other one. And you get more, so disregard that. I'm still going to put it in there though. Just because, you know, people make mistakes. There's no reason to hide it. 1 little drop of food coloring. That's it. Okay, so it was much easier to stir in the food coloring with the actual borax instead of the solution. So if you want to use... See, it's not going in there very well. I'm just going to add... I think I'm going to add a little bit of water to get that food coloring in there a little bit. Literally not much, just a tiny bit. So, you can either use pure borax, 1 teaspoon with it. This one kind of breaks apart really easy. Okay, we'll see how the other one did. I think this way is a little bit better. Alrighty, this was with the pure borax, which I did on accident, which it still worked alright. It just wasn't as big. All the water didn't soak up into it. I would recommend doing the diluted borax. But, you know, either way. At first the color wasn't really sticking into this one. I had to stir it for a little longer. But, yeah, got yourself some silly putty. Bam.